Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simthembile Sibayi. I'm a student who's currently pursuing a Bachelor of Social Science degree in Environmental Management. I'm a person who's very passionate about environmental sustainability and human development. Hence, I started a business that is called THUDDurbz, which deals with distributing in eco-friendly technologies in order to generate in an environmentally friendly way, electricity, to generate electricity. We distribute technologies such as solar panels and solar geysers. And our target market, market is a mass market. However, because we are still at an initiating phase of this project, we are still targeting your townships and your working class people. As the business grows, we are going to penetrate into markets whereby we get into bigger corporate. We still have to have a challenge in that department because we still need to educate those people. However, I believe that with educating people about the benefits of using these eco-friendly technologies to generate electricity, they will actually get into buying them more. In terms of the money that my business needs, at the moment we are still working on people's orders. When people order from the townships, we go to townships and tell people about the benefits of actually using these technologies. And as they know about these technologies, then they order from our business. Then with the vehicle that we have in our company, we use a van. The vehicle, we contact those people and then we supply to them. We deliver to them for free. In terms of the cost that my business will need as a loan, it is a cost of 50,000 Rand. Now that 50,000 Rand will work in this way. We will use 36,000 Rand in order to purchase 30 units of solar panels. Now these 30 units of solar panels, with each solar panel costing 1,200 Rand. And then looking at that cost price, we will sell those solar panels for 2,000 Rand each. By selling that solar panel for 2,000 Rand each, we're actually making 40% profit on each solar panel. So if we're making 40% profit, we will take 50% of that profit, reinvest it into the business to actually see it grow because we're still a fairly young business. And then the other 50% we will go towards paying back the loan. When we did our calculations, we saw that by doing that, by giving back 50% of our profit, paying back the loan, we would actually get to pay back the loan within 5 months. So that's how the business basically works. So that's THUDDurbz in a brief synopsis. Thank you.